Hi, welcome to Online 101, a course to teach you about using Moodle in Robbinsdale Area Schools to teach hybrid and online classes. My name is Jake Gavand and I'm the course designer. I wanted to take you on a quick tour. By the time you've gotten to this screen, you've logged in, and now Online 101 is under your My Courses section. If you look over here on your screen, you will see that. Under My Courses, Online 101 should be one of them. So that's a quick way to get here when you log in. What I want to do is show you through the blocks. This course is made up of 8 blocks. It's designed, let me go down to the last one so I can show this to you. Well, we'll go down to block 6. It's designed so that when you get to a block, like this block 6, that you'll read the introduction to find out what the objective is for that block. So for example, this one is, you will learn how to add questions to the question bank manually and by uploading a text file. You will also build a 5-question quiz. Now the main content section comes next. And the main content section is designed for you to go through things in the order that they're shown. So the first thing you'd want to do is, this is a kind of a constructivist course, that's the way I like to teach, and so we're going to have you start by trying a quiz yourself to experience what a student would experience. And then there are some videos that you'll watch on each of these following pages that are teaching you more about the quizzes. And finally, by the end of the topic is the last section, and you're going to create your own quiz and make a short screencast. One thing you may get sick of in this course is making screencasts, but it's such a valuable part of being an online teacher that I wanted to give you lots of practice. A couple more things to show you. Obviously you're watching this video, that's the first thing in the course, but then in this beginning block of the course or topic, these are called blocks or topics, there's a news forum. If you're taking this course with another group of teachers, you may get a message every so often that tells you an update about the course. These 3 files, the course evaluation rubric, the online learning tips for students, and how students will enroll in your completed course, you can look at those as you start taking the course, but they will probably be more valuable for your reference later. And that bears mentioning, this whole course will probably be a good reference for you as you build your Moodle class, because you're going to forget what you've gone through and you'll be able to go back and say, how do I do that again with quizzes, or how do I use that online text assignment, or how do I think about my class? This course evaluation rubric is really a Google document that is just a checklist for you to go through. So after you've created your course, or as you're creating it, you can go ahead and think about, did I follow these best practices? And this is something you could even go ahead and print and just have with you. A piece of paper one is sometimes nice. Up at the breadcrumb trail here, I do want to show you that. You're probably familiar with it, but this gets you around Moodle, and so you're in the course evaluation rubric right now, but if you want to go back to the course itself, Online 101 is what you'd want to click on, because that's the short name of this course. Online Learning Tips for Students is the next document in the resources section at the top, and that is the same document that's available site-wide up in the upper left. For students, we call it Using This Site, but it basically talks about things like Firefox being the best browser to use, or if the video doesn't seem very clear, you can always go ahead and click on that video when you're watching it on a computer and go to YouTube itself, where all my videos are hosted. And so that can be a better file. I know I was watching some of this course on an iPad, and it seems like the video was a little bit grainy, and so I preferred to go to YouTube itself and go watch that video. So it has some tips like that on it. And the last thing is kind of an information piece for you. It shows a video about how students will enroll in your completed course. And so if you want to see the end from the beginning, that can be a nice video to watch, or it could just be referenced later. Well, I hope this course turns out to be logical for you to follow and learn about Moodle, and I look forward to hearing feedback from you and learning with you about Moodle. Have fun.